Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a repository and local identity. This matters because commits need an author. Once done, create the repo on GitHub and clone it to your machine, then immediately make a feature branch to isolate work. Make sure to set git config user, name and user, email so history is clear. This first step prevents breaking mainline. It also speeds collaboration. Now you have a safe workspace to commit small, reviewable changes. You will build in small increments and explain why each commit exists. First, stage only the files that change to keep commit history clean. This helps reviewers. Then craft commit messages with a concise subject and an explanatory body so future you understands the why. Once ready, push the branch to origin and open a pull request for review. While waiting, sync with main using git fetch and git rebase or git merge to prevent conflicts. This keeps integration smooth. You finish by ensuring CI is green and reviewers approve, because merging broken code costs time. Once approved, merge the PR using the repository strategy, tag a release for traceability, and deploy from the main branch. After deployment, clean stale branches locally and remotely to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: fetch the remote, rebase your branch onto main, resolve conflicts, run tests locally, and only then push. This prevents surprise regressions in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.